Assalamualaikum and good morning, Six Mutiara. How are you today? I hope you are fine and you are healthy. So, this morning I had a Google Meet with some of your friends. Okay, saya ada Google Meet dengan beberapa orang kawan awak, and some of you cannot enter the meeting. Okay, because of some problems. Okay, tak, but it's okay. Ada yang nak join meeting tapi tak dapat masuk, tak apa. Itu masalah teknikal. Yang belum bangun, sila bangun dan bersedia untuk belajar, okay? Alright. So today is Thursday, 24th June 2021, English 6 Mutiara. Okay, so today I want you to answer, to open your textbook, page 84. Okay, 84. Okay, so listen to the conversation between Kamini and the manager of Sarah Cakes. Okay, dengar perbualan Kamini dan juga manager. This is Kamini, this is manager. Okay, Kamini call manager ni. Okay, kenapa dia call manager ni? Okay, kita baca Okay, hello Sarah Cakes, how can I help you? Okay, hello Sarah Cakes. Hello, apa? Ni Sarah Cakes. Sarah Cakes tu nama kedai Okay, bagaimana kami boleh bantu awak? Hi, my name is Kamini. I would like to enter the cupcake eating contest. Hai, nama saya Kamini. Saya nak masuk pertandingan makan cupcake. Okay. That's wonderful, Kamini. Have you visited our website? Bagus, Kamini. Awak dah melawat website kami? No, I haven't. But I would like to know more about the contest. Belum. Tapi saya nak tahu lebih lanjut tentang kontes pertandingan itu. Sure. What would you like to know? Boleh. Awak nak tahu apa? Okay, yes. The contest. Can my siblings take part in the contest? Bolehkah adik-beradik saya ambil bahagian dalam pertandingan? Yes, boleh. The contest is divided into 3 categories. Bronze, silver and gold. Okay. Pertandingan tu ada 3 kategori. Nama kategori dia adalah bronze, silver and gold. Okay. Is there an entry fee? Ada bayaran masuk? Yes, it is RM10 for each category. RM10 untuk setiap kategori. Can we donate items to the orphanage? Bolehkah kami menderma? Donate ni menderma. Items barang. To the orphanage, kepada rumah anak yatim. Definitely, boleh. You can donate either books or toys. The children would appreciate any additional contributions. Okay, awak boleh menderma books, buku, or toys, mainan. Kanak-kanak juga suka kalau ada sumbangan-sumbangan yang lain. Any additional contributions, maksudnya sumbangan-sumbangan yang lain. Okay, Kamini, thank you. You are welcome. Don't forget to visit our website www.sarahcakes.com.my. Okay, see you at the event. Okay, sama-sama jangan lupa untuk melawat website laman web kami www.sarahcakes.com.my. Okay, see you at the event. Jumpa semasa pertandingan itu, acara itu. Okay, complete the table with information based on the conversation. Lengkapkan jadual ini mengikut maklumat lah di atas. Okay, so first contest. Apa nama contest? Apa nama pertandingan ini? Alright. Cari, dah sebut tadi. Then categories. Berapa kategori? Ada 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 categories. Okay. So, apa kategori tu? Please write here. Type of contributions. Jenis-jenis sumbangan ada 3 juga. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Saya pun sama, saya dah sebut tadi. Contact information. Okay, kalau nak hubungi dia, melalui apa? Okay. So, this one, tak perlu salin lah. Perbualan ni tak perlu salin. You just make this table, salin jadual ini, petak ni ada 3, 1, 2, 3. And then, isikan jawapan. Jangan lupa tuliskan day and date. Hari dan tarikh Thursday 24th June 2021. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.